Page 14, Swingin Shepherd Blues. Keep in mind the word blues. That's key word. Common timer 4/4 time. There's no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale and the A minor scale 2 octaves up and down. Do them both. And the arpeggios. Go ahead and do the arpeggios 2 octaves up and down. And make sure you do the tremolo exercise on those arpeggios. Now, I like to approach this type of music because it is a blues piece. It's in the title. Like a blues piece. And I simplify this rhythm considerably, although it ends up being about the same as what's written. And that is, I think of this dotted rhythm as just regular eighth notes. And then I just blues it. I swing them. Bum, ba-dum. The counting. Because it's easier for me to think of that than 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Hey, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and. Because in a blues style, it's not really a dotted rhythm. And it's not really a triplet rhythm, although you can have triplets in it. It's a felt, boom. So they're a little longer than a dotted rhythm, the short notes, but they're shorter than a triplet. That's why you feel it, and since it's in blue, that's why I approach it that way. I want to feel this, and that's what I recommend you do. And follow this fingering, I like it. Basically, we're in this position. Second line, second measure. I like that. You're going to get that a lot. Slide off. I think it's fun. Rhythm. Now let's go back to this. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that's a syncopated note. A lot of syncopation here. It's in between 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So work that out, because the left hand's just got a half note, so it's not going to help you a lot. So it's. Although you notice, see, it comes after the. So, and hold these in the left hand down. Hold these down the full value. And when you get over to page 15, second line, or pick up second line, and you got these little notes. Just real quick, you don't have a lot of time to play them, just play them. Do the best you can with them. If you can't play them, leave them out. But if you can play them, stick them in. Play it in a bluesy feel. There, see? And hold these whole notes down to the left hand, the whole measure. Don't cheat them. Third line down. 1, 1, 2. That's on second beat. 1. And that comes right before 2. Right before you play that. So forth. Now you get that. Fourth line down. Hold that down. I like to use different fingers on those. You finger it however you see fit. But and again, second measure. 1, 2. The G's on beat 2. The left hand plays right before it. And they come together. And hold that down. Hold that down in the left hand. Now you lift up, it's a rest. lot of syncopation, a lot of going. You work out these rhythms very carefully. Just keep in mind the hands can help you out a little bit because of the syncopation going on over on, especially on page 15 in the third line down, the fourth line down. 1E and a 2E and. And the next line. 1E and a, 1E and a 2E. 1E and a 2E and a. I'm playing on the 1E and 2E and 1E. You're just anticipating the beat just a little bit. You're just anticipating it just a little bit, which is why the accent is there, by the way. We typically accent the syncopation. We're playing it too soon. We give it that little extra. Woo. Yeah. It's a fun piece. No pedal, of course, because we gotta have the staccatos. Huh? Now, dynamics to the melody. Keep this left hand out of the way. It's in the background. Speed-wise, well, I think close to what I've been doing. It's not a fast piece, it's just a nice swinging thing. That last chord is allowed. It's a sforzando. It's an accented. I don't think you need an accent with a sforzando. You just play it loud. It's staccato, sort of. Just keep the wrists loose. Don't attack it. It's make it a musical bang. It's a bang, but a musical bang. Yeah, that's my. I mean, they give you swingy as a tempo. Yeah, right. It's a bluesy piece. It's just it's a blues. Don't speed it up because then that ruins the long short of it. It messes it up. They tell you on the octaves you can use. I still use fourth finger on the black keys, but that's up to you whether you do that. I use fourth finger. You can use fifth finger on all of them. It's up to you. I said that already. Never mind.